Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my Erocalli Mary Jane heels. I love this heel. As you can tell, it is this super cute vintage style. It even has these little heart cutouts on the side. I love everything about this shoe. The heel is not too high, so it's kind of a block heel, so you have nice stability when you're walking. And they also have great tread on the bottom, so not slippery at all to begin with. You have this super cute ribbon that ties the shoes together, and it's really easy to put into a cute little bow, or you can replace it with the ribbon of your choice. The inside of the shoe has a really squishy insole, so you already have a lot of comfort right off the bat from wearing these. These shoes are really perfect for any occasion. I love wearing these with colorful tights because they look so cute and vintage. I love getting that 50s vibe. These are really pretty for any formal event, casual event, or a costume. Shoe brands. And it's gonna look cute with any outfit you pair it with. So I think you are gonna love this vintage Mary Jane heel by Erocalli, but that's just my point of view.